What's up everybody, welcome to another V2 Lab video, and today it's kind of a blog sort of cinematic. Well, there's a vlog, but my girlfriend shot it and it's on her channel, so check that out, link in the description below. Her vlog is way more personal, it seems more realistic to what we would experience on hand. This is more of like a cinematic one. I shot this on the A7S2, the Sony, with a 24-70 f4 lens with the Ronin S. If you guys follow the channel, you know I've been struggling with the Ronin S for a while. So I did get some, I got new handles, little handles that they sell for it. My eyes are going crazy. Got a little Ronin S handles, and then I figured out some new settings, and everything like just magically came together. So I'm not perfect at it yet, but I definitely want to like make a little video showing you guys what I learned, so that way I can try and help. The Ronin S is kind of a struggle for most people who come from the Ronin M into the Ronin S. It just doesn't work the way you want it to, but I think this is it. I think we've got it figured out. Anyways, back to the tour, or the open house, really. We went on a tour of the place, and they showed us like how they do everything. I'm not going to include too much, but here, let me bang through a 15-second clip of it real quick. Okay, so there were a lot of little things in there that I really just didn't want to run through with the guy explaining everything, but basically they have an area where they sit and retrofit a bunch of new sensors into the car, what they would normally do at like the original manufacturer to like gauge a bunch of like to get a bunch of data on a bunch of different parts of the car, and then they build their software to work around the things that they learned from the data that they get, and that way the car works without having to have those new sensors added to it. And then they have like a bunch of dynos, they have a bunch of fabrication, they have a bunch of inventory, they like the whole place is just super crazy. But I definitely can go into all that a lot more, but all I want to tell you is it's a really good experience. They're going to do it again next year. It should be really sick. Hopefully they like, it's going to get bigger. They used to apparently do it way back in the day, and it was like a real big event and real crazy. Then they slowed down. Now they're doing it again. So this was kind of like almost like their soft launch into it, like getting it going again. And so we were just fortunate enough to be there and check it out. And so here's the cinematic of it all. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Exactly.
Where's my dyno guys at? Validate this is all-wheel drive. It's not two-wheel drive. Oh man.
That was definitely
That looked like a wheel.
He did, he got 3 wheels. Oh. And that's how we lost both of our cars.
Oh no.